All these birds just came from flocking from, I don't know what direction that is over there. But, you know, my house faced this way towards Athens. And all these birds, look at that. They're all in that tree right there, all over there, all in that tree. They all in the tree. Look at them. Look. Some more coming. How much more coming? Look at that. They going to that tree over there. I guess there's too many in these trees. In that tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees full of birds. I think I count them right. Get out, man. I'm telling you, brother.
I see him.
So you can see them in this tree right here.
I see him in this tree right here.
It's 7 trees in.
I already see 7. I count 1, 2, 3 over there, and then this one right here, that's 4.
You missing everything. Woo! Bless me. What are y'all up to? Don't be dropping no bird flu around here. They all in trees way down there too. They didn't see that. There they go. They gone. They're flying off. Oh, they far. They gone. I guess they needed a break.